In this video, we're going to go through a complete step-by-step guide and show you how to become a loan officer in Alabama. Let's dive right into it. My name is Chris with the Empire Real Estate YouTube channel. On this channel, we teach you how to build your real estate empire through entrepreneurship. Before we get started, I do want to let you know about our free guide. It's called How to Get Licensed and Start Your Mortgage Career as a Loan Officer. And if you want to grab that guide, there's a link down below that you could find in the description. I hope you enjoy it. In this video, my goal is to tell you everything and all the steps to become a loan officer and potentially start your new career. So we're going to go over everything from the education requirements, how to create your NMLS account and get started, and we're also going to go over some of the major requirements that you're going to have to go through, such as the background check, the credit score check, and all the other things required, as well as how good you need to do on your test in order to pass. So let's dive right into it. The very first step is to create your NMLS account. And in order to create your NMLS account, it's important to visit the website and get started right away. You want to create an individual account and answer all the questions you need to do in order to get your NMLS ID and get your account created. The second step is to complete your NMLS mortgage education. Now, in the state of Alabama, you're required to complete 20 hours of the Mortgage Safe course. Now, you might be saying 20 hours is kind of a lot. Well, that's true, it is. But the good news is a lot of the schools that are state approved can be completed online. So you can do it at your own pace and your own convenience. On top of that, you get to pick if you want an instructor involved or you want to do it at your own pace. And I'm going to show you how to actually pick your class so you can decide which way you want to go based on your needs and how quick you want to get this done. If you click the link down below, you'll see a link to the mortgage school, and it's an affiliate link, so you might get some different discounts and sales on these courses. So once you click there, you're going to be taken to this screen. Okay, so from here, you're going to be able to see all the different things that they offer, and you're going to want to go to courses. You're going to want to click new license. From here, you're going to want to shop the pre-licensed course packages. Now, once you get behind the scenes here, you're going to be able to see a lot of different things. But you want to click Alabama. Once you click Alabama, you're going to see all the classes that are approved for Alabama and all the requirements. So once you get to this screen, you're going to be able to see all the different offerings that they have, and you can pick whatever you want. So again, this one has the highest pass rate, and they also have a $50 rebate at the moment if you complete this course and get through everything. So that's really a good one if you want to get through this quick and then give yourself a high chance of passing, because again, this exam is difficult. A lot of people fail it the first time around. So this could be a big benefit if you're looking to get started really quickly and give yourself the highest chance of success. But there are some other packages here too. So you don't necessarily have to get this package. You can start with a lower package, and it kind of shows you what each one offers. Now, there's some other related products here. One thing to note is some of these are instructor led. So if you want an instructor to be able to, teach the class and go through things with you, this is what I would choose. And then you also have a online self-paced course that you can do at your own pace, and that's good for some people as well. But you have a lot of options here, and that's the good news. So definitely pick the one that fits you best in what you're trying to accomplish. The next step is you're going to want to go back to your NMLS website once you completed all your education, and you want to schedule your exam. Now, the bad news is you're required to pass this exam with a 75% score or higher. The good news is you have plenty of time to do it. Currently, you have about 190 minutes to complete this exam, so you have plenty of time. Don't rush through it, because the chances are if you rush, there's a higher probability of you failing the exam. So on this exam, you're going to see a couple different things. You're going to see federal mortgage related laws and ethics, MLO activities, general mortgage knowledge that you're going to need to know to perform your job. And it's important to really get involved with some exam prep programs, because again, many people find this exam super challenging and there is not a very high pass rate. Once you pass your exam, it's time to celebrate. Now, this is a big milestone because a lot of people don't pass the exam and they have to spend their time studying again and then rescheduling after 30 days. So if you did pass the exam, it is time to celebrate and get ready for the next step, which is completing your background checks and your credit checks. So from here, you're gonna have to do a federal background check and submit fingerprints through FieldPrint. Now, next you're going to basically do a NMLS processing fee, You're going to do your FBI criminal background check, which is about $36.25. You're going to have to get a credit report done. So a credit check, that's going to cost you about $15. And then you're going to have to do your application fee, which is roughly $300. On top of that, your NMLS processing fee is about $30. So all in all, that's not too bad. It doesn't cost that much money to get through this part of the process. From here, it's time to apply for your license. So from here, you're gonna log back into your NMLS account that we created when we first started this process. Then we wanna select the filing tab and click request new/update. From here, we want to follow the prompts and apply for your state license. Now keep in mind, this is going to cost you about $105 to get done. The last step is to secure your sponsor. Now you're going to have to get a sponsor in order to hang your license at. So at this point, it's time to basically go and interview with mortgage companies. From here, you want to ask important questions. So as a loan officer, it's very similar to being a real estate agent in the way that you have to go generate your own business. But it's a little different because loan officers sometimes get paid a base salary, sometimes they don't, sometimes they're 100% commission, and then other times they're set up more like a processor where the clients are being handed off to them and they get a much lower commission split. So depending on what you want to do really depends on which kind of offices that you should apply for. If you are a hunter, if you are a lead generator, if you're someone that can go out there and generate business, I think you're better off going at a 100% commission place and going out there and finding the deals because you're going to make much more money on each deal. But if that's not you and you just want to sit behind the scenes and do less of that, then you might want to go more to a credit union or a standard bank and start applying for jobs there. Now, some banks actually don't even require you to be licensed. So if that's your goal, make sure you look into that. But a lot of mortgage companies do require a license. And if you want to get into those companies, you're going to be required to have a license in order to get started. So these are the main questions that I would ask if I was starting out as a loan officer. If you enjoyed this content, smash the like button and subscribe because we're coming out with more content to help you grow your real estate empire. Thanks for tuning in. Thank you for watching the Empire of Real Estate YouTube channel. On this channel, we talk about real estate and entrepreneurship. So if you like that kind of content and you haven't subscribed yet, smash the like button and subscribe. And before we go, there isn't a video over here that we think you'll like, so be sure to check that out as well. Thanks so much for tuning in, and you have a great day.